Alright guys, Taylor here, back with another video. Last time we went over neck turning before that primer pocket preparation. Now we're getting ready to prime our cases and then charge them. So the first thing to, before we prime, think about the case, its dimensions, and what it all involves. What we're trying to get here, I guess my point is, we need to understand the volume on the interior of the case so that we can understand the pressures and how they're going to change based on our powder load. So if we know the outside diameter, the case length, the only unknown here is the inside diameter and the volume. If the outside diameter and the case length are all the same, an indicator for the volume is going to be the weight of your case. So before we prime, we're going to go through and weigh each one of these cases and order them by their weights. After we prime, there's another way to more conclusively come up with volume, which is water weight testing, and we'll get to that. But before we do that, I want to go through this step, just so you guys understand what it is, how we do it. So I've got my scale here. I set it to measure grains. You can do pounds, grams, whatever. But what I do is I will set up my bullets in a range of 1 to 2/10 of a grain. So this one here, 172.7. I'm just gonna take it, put it randomly in here. Doesn't really matter where for now, because I don't know my averages yet. 173.2, a little bit heavier, put it a couple rows down. 172.5, right? And we're just gonna go through this process, weighing all of these and categorizing them. 173.2. So I'm gonna finish this up, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've measured out the 20 cases that I turned yesterday. And we have them ranging from 172.5 to 173.4. And I've lined them all out, 72.5, 73.4, and I've got 5, 6, 8, 173.2, 173.4. So now, if I were richer, I'd throw away the outliers. I'm not. So instead, I'm going to keep these cases in this order throughout my whole reloading process. And when I shoot, I'm going to have noted on my data sheets, these cases are the lower weight, these cases are the higher weight. And I can hopefully eventually come up with correlation between consistency and the inner volumes or the weights of the cases. So we're nearing 5 minutes. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna put up, just after this, another video about priming. So we'll get right back with you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Really, I'd love to hear your feedback. I'd love to hear about how you guys do it. Maybe some of you think this is unnecessary. Maybe you think it's a brilliant idea, I don't know. But give me your feedback. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.